Okay.
That's
Hold
going
it.
hard, right?
Alright. Yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. Free my cousin Petey. Free my cousin Mouse. I ain't playing. These niggas really ride out. I don't give a fuck. All y'all niggas gon' die out. Y'all niggas ain't fucking with me. I don't care. I'm up here. Chilling in the fucking little spaceship. Yeah, with your little fly bitch that you thought that was yours. Fuck that nigga. Really think she's a fucking whore. She be fucking everybody who got bread. And I don't give a fuck cause I don't fuck with them feds. I ain't never getting bagged cause I'm too smart. And niggas out here motherfuckers swear they gon' fucking spark. Nigga, fuck that, you got the gun, so let it go off. And all these motherfuckers out here straight soft. I'm on the block, selling on that motherfucking white girl. You already know, motherfucker, I'm on a higher level than anybody around. I'm out here, I don't fuck with them clowns. These niggas out here don't bust pounds. I don't give a fuck, I'm holding on this rate. Like, yo, I had this bitch last night. She was downstairs and she was mopping off my man. I don't really give a fuck. I really just let it blame all over her cheek. Fuck that, that's just me. I just do it because I'm hood. Fuck that, nigga, I'm good. I be chilling right here, nigga, just like I should. Just smoking on some weed, just trying to make a milk. I'm really fucking killed. I don't give a fuck. I'm holding on this MILF. Yeah, and I'm fucking her daughter. I don't really care. I slaughtered both of them at the same time. That's what I do. I don't really give a fuck. Do what you fucking do. When I come through and I fucking let it through. You're melon, nigga, I'm never telling. And I be in the club fresh, you be in this smelling. I don't give a fuck. All these niggas out here squealing. Niggas out here little rats. Fuck that. Now y'all get this. Hold this. Now y'all fucking melon on the street like you already split it on yo, just mind's going crazy.